Darla again. I just uploaded a video of something Connie sent me, some Happy Mail, and I was so excited about it, I totally forgot I had another package. So here I am again. This one is actually the Annie's Cardmaker Kit of the Month. This is my 4th kit, I believe. And this is, I actually opened it up. This is the instruction booklet. It says this month's technique layering. I've had layering, I think, 3 times now. Anyway, it looks like it is fall themed. So they give you some cardstock. And what I like about the cardstock is the fold is already in there, because I don't have one of those scoreboard things. So yeah. And like some of you know, I'm just kind of starting to get into card making. So just kind of playing around with it right now. Sent a few cards out to people. Oh yeah, so the cardstock, this is like a honey yellow, I guess. And then they send you some dark colored ones as well. There's a few here. And then they send you the envelopes. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other little things they sent. They sent some string, and then I guess this is kind of like a ribbon thing. It's quite thick. Well, it's not that thick. But yeah, to decorate the cards. And then they sent these little stickers, gold and black. Gold and black, little tiny stickers, dots. And also they sent these, let's see, these stamps. Okay. Sent these stamps. Oops, can you see that? Yeah. I don't know why they're not sending those other sort of clear ones. I like those better. Oh, what else did they send? Oh, I guess just the paper now. No, oh, paper, and also there's some cut-aparts that are already cut. You just push them out of the paper. But first I'm going to show you this is another piece of cardstock, I guess. And then this is like honeycomb, kind of. This looks like tablecloth. And this is gray and white honeycombs, I guess. And then, oh, this is heavy, like cardstock again. And then this yellow one with squiggly lines. And this black with lines through it. And then these, I actually do like these. I don't know what they're called. They're like cutouts or cut-aparts. You just push them out. They're already cut. So I think, you know, I think they're pretty. Some of them. Like, I like that one. And the bees. The bees also push out. I like the bees. So yeah, it's fall themed. And these are the other cut-aparts. I like the bees in this too. Are they the same size? Oh, there's different sizes. So yeah, that's the kit. Yeah, I decided I would let it ride for this month, and you know what? I think I'm gonna cancel now. Yeah, I've had 4 months. In Canada, this is $27, like all in, shipping and everything. The first kit was free. You just paid shipping. And shipping was, where's that paperwork? don't know. I don't know. Oh, here it is. No, yeah, that's it. Right here, right here. Let me tell you in case you're interested. Okay, okay, the kit itself is $19.99. Remember, this is Canadian. And then the shipping is $6.95, which I didn't think was bad at all. And then we pay GST, which is goods and services tax. That's 35 cents. So it's a total of $27.29 Canadian. I don't think it's that good of a deal. I mean, I don't think it is. That's my opinion. So I am going to cancel. So what do you think? Like, what's your honest opinion about everything that I showed you here and the price? Oh, here's a phone number. I'm going to phone them and cancel. Yeah, no more, don't send me any more. But it was a nice ride while it lasted, right? It was kind of fun. So, yeah, just something new to try. But my love when it comes to crafting is crochet. I love me crochet. I have a couple of finished objects that I will probably show you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Yes, probably tomorrow. Alrighty then, thank you for joining me today, and you take care. Have a fantastic rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.